Good morning, Holy Redeemer. My name is Melissa Bancic, and I am the auction admin at Holy Redeemer Catholic School. I'm here today to show you some tips and tricks on how to utilize the auction bidding software. If you've already logged in, your name will appear above the scrolling sponsorship banner. It will appear welcome and your name. If you haven't logged into the system yet or created an account, it will look like this. It will come up with just welcome, no name. There will also be two buttons that say Get Started, one up here in the far right and one down here by the paddle raise. So we will want to click on that. And this is where you will create an account, or if you've already created an account, you would enter in your email address and the password that you have selected. And you would click Login. Now that you've logged into the system, one thing to note is the scrolling list of our auction sponsors. We'd like to thank all of our sponsors for their generosity and support. The other item on our landing platform is the paddle raise button. This year's paddle raise is for tuition assistance. It is important for all families to have access to exceptional education at Holy Redeemer Catholic School. This year's paddle raise will help to ensure the financial situations will not be a deterrent to the education of our students. 100% of this year's paddle raise will go to support our tuition assistance program and bridge the gap between tuition and the actual cost to educate a child. These commitments are only possible due to the generosity of supporters like you. It's from here where you can select the amount that you would like to put towards the paddle raise. From here, we can exit out and go to exit. It'll bring us right back to the landing page. Now let's take a moment to look at the left-hand side of the bidding landing page. The left-hand side is where you will see the items listed for the silent and live auction. Currently, we have listed a calendar and a pretend item for bidding. The calendar, you'll note, is listed for $15. Let's click on this. And this is similar to a few of the other items that we will have available for the auction. This is a buy it now price. So you can buy it for $15. It tells you how many are available. It also shows you the picture, gives you a description, and lets you peruse through to see different pictures that are involved with this package. So similar to the calendar, this shows the image for the package that you can scroll through, also gives the description. Now up here, it lets you bid. So I would place a bid, say I want this package, I could place a bid for $1. But after I place my bid, I feel like, I want to put, this is my favorite package and I want to make sure I get it. So I'm going to put in a max bid of $5. I can set my bid here, which means the bid will automatically be placed for me up to my max bid. So if I've already bid $1, someone else bids $2, then the system will bid for me $3, and then someone will bid $4, and then max bid of mine will be $5. If someone goes over my max bid, I will be alerted via text that I was outbid on this item. And then I can decide if I want to add more or just let it go. Hit cancel. Okay, from here, let's go back to look at the main landing page. We can get there two ways. We can click the back arrow button on the left-hand side, or we can click this home button. So let's click the home button, and it brings us back to the main landing page. And one thing to note is that this allows us to select things to make it our favorites. With all the different packages, I want to make sure that I remember that this pretend tutorial item is my favorite. I can select as many as I want. I'm going to click on the star button, and there it is. It listed it as my favorite. So I can go up here to the right-hand side to see the list of my favorites. So now that I've seen the list of my favorites, I can go up here and select. And it shows me the items that I bid on, which if I had been bidding on items, they'd be here. The items that I'm winning on, and the items that I've been outbid on. This is sort of like your fast little area to find out all of the information. You can click on packages that have had no bids. the Buy It Now packages, like the calendar. And then it will show you the categories. Here's the calendar and the tutorial, and other items will be listed there as well. Well, that is the rundown of our Holy Redeemer auction platform. We are looking forward to having you take part in our silent and live auction. If there's anything you need help with, please feel free to reach out to the help section. There will be someone there to assist you. There's a telephone number and email address at the end of this video, and also on our website, the auction website. Take care and God bless, and we look forward to having you take part in our silent and live auction. See you soon. Bye-bye.